Actually, a reason why I chose the university is because my favorite color is yellow, so I was like, yeah, that's for me. My name is Elena. I'm from Italy and I'm currently studying in the second year of the master's degree in tourism and sustainability here in Kalmar. What I enjoy most about education in Sweden is that you can actually think through the topics and it kind of develops or your critical thinking, so you get more into a topic and it's much more interesting, especially to have conversations with your professors and with your other classmates. We have the sea right here, there's a lot of natural parks around the area, and also there's many different pubs, especially with student offers. And then, I discovered the fika, which is great when you go out for a coffee and some cakes. So many places here in Kalmar where you can enjoy that as well and get to know more the Swedish culture.
Basically, we're given the tools to learn whatever we want to learn. I'm Henry, I'm from Armenia, and I'm in marketing master's program here at Linnaeus University. I can have my own opinion, and as long as I can justify my paper or like whatever I'm like saying in my paper, etc., it's fine. It doesn't have to match whatever the professor thinks. It's just like my own opinion, my own paper, my own findings.
When I heard about Sweden, the first thing came to my mind was like snow, because I know it's going to be like very cold during some time. My name is Iresha. I'm originally from Sri Lanka. I'm doing my master's degree in economics. In Asia, especially Sri Lanka, it's like very structured and it's like, sometimes I feel like spoon feed, but here like very independent. You have to do your studies by yourself. We eat a lot of spices in Sri Lanka. So I think the food-wise is also very different because Swedish, they don't eat spices at all. If I give my food to Swedish friend, so they start crying.
Chaewon Lim. I'm from South Korea. In Korea, we do have some more like hierarchy between the teachers and students. But here, the teachers in Sweden are very friendly and very personal. And they'll actually listen to the students, what they're thinking and their opinion.